How to deactivate Instagram account before 7 days. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this following tutorial I'm going to show you how you can deactivate Instagram account before 7 days. So in order to deactivate your Instagram account before 7 days, kind of issues occur when you've actually deactivated your account and once again reactivated, or then you've continued this procedure for several times, then the issue occurs. So within completing 7 days you won't be able to deactivate your account once you've already reactivated. However, there is an alternative which you can give it a try. First of all, you need to open up your Instagram and log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the interface, something like this. Now right on this page, go to your profile and from here tap the tab bar icon and go to settings and privacy. While you're on settings and privacy, go to account center. So while you're on this page, go to personal details, and after that you need to go to account ownership and control. After that you need to go to deactivation or deletion, then select the particular account that you wish to deactivate or delete, and instead of deactivating, just go ahead and tap on delete and click the continue button. Next page is going to ask you to type in or give a reason for deactivating or deleting your account. Click the continue button, then enter in your password in order to confirm it. It's going to take 30 days for the deactivation, and after 30 days you can still reactivate it. So that's how you can deactivate your Instagram account before 7 days. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.